Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Holden Cruze CDX Sedan, stock reference number 5540. This shape runs from the third month 2009 through to the second month 2011. It has a Z20 SI 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Z20 SI 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left surround, left guard piece to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, right boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack control panel, display screen, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.